everybody, my friends. Look at my new conveyor belt. I'm very excited because today was Friday and I will show you something very cool. See!